Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a hot glue gun from PARKSIDE. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid £3.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But of course Lidl will have the advantage of selling it cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to be doing is show you the product itself, and then of course compare it with another hot glue gun that PARKSIDE makes. So let's get into it. One thing to point out straight away is that this specific product comes with 3 years warranty. And let's get on the information on the left, on the top left. So this one has a heat up time around 5 minutes. And it comes with 6 glue sticks. This specific one comes with 6 glue sticks, and the cable is the cable. The length of the cable that goes to the plug socket or that connects to the electricity is 1.5 meters. And it says here low working temperature at 105 degrees, and that's the information at the front. Now on the back, I'm gonna zoom in here, and you can pause and read the information at any time if you wish. Now on the sides, it has some pictures, pictures that they want to show you where you can use it for arts and crafts and glue things together. And that's pretty much the information on the box itself. The way to open this one it would be either at the top or at the bottom. This specific one, as most of the PARKSIDE products, have a plastic sealing sticker. Either use a knife or a fork and you should be able to open it. As simple as that. Did I say? I'm sorry, my thing is a knife or a scissor. I might have said a fork. That's my mistake. So let's just open this one. Again, for what you are paying for, you are getting a lot of product. So there's nothing else in the box. So let's leave the box on the side. It comes with the actual product comes with the owners or instructions guide, and this one has a barcode which you can scan and then get the PDF online format if you wish. So this is what's inside the box. So it's the gun itself, which is a smaller version. It's a small version. Very nice build. It does feel premium. But again, I'm not entirely sure how they manage to sell this type of products so cheap. And this specific one, it has this stand here. So if you're not using it, for example, you can leave it like that, and the tip doesn't touch any surface, and you can see it like that. And then of course you get 6 glue sticks with this specific one. But you can buy more from Lidl, which are this. They make three different ones. So they make the clear ones. They make the ones that come with some colors: orange, red, black, blue, yellow, and green. And you get 20 sticks. And these sell. Lidl sells this for £1.99 for 20 pieces. And then of course you have these sparkly ones. I would call them Christmassy. And then you have the information here, and of course this will need 85 Celsius degrees, whereas the other ones, they will need 90 Celsius degrees for them to be used with the hot glue gun. Now this specific hot glue gun is slightly different from the actual bigger version that Lidl makes. So if I take this on the side, I'll show you now. The 10-pound, I think, no, I'm sorry, this is the Lidl sells this one for £7.99. So for about, so this one is £4. That would be 8. So £4 more. You can get a bigger version, which is this one here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this one really quickly. I have made a previous video on this one, so you can go and watch that one if you wish. But I'll show you the difference of the cheaper version compared to the more premium version, I would call it. So this specific one comes with a box, whereas the smaller version doesn't come with a box. And if I were to compare the two, you can see the difference here. Is like twice the size, 2.5 times the size. And the differences here are, this one has a LED light, whereas this one doesn't. This one can be used cordlessly, whereas the smaller one doesn't. And one of the major differences here is that the bigger one uses bigger glue sticks, and you can see the difference here. If I leave this back. So this one, the smaller one is for smaller projects. So if you have like kids, if you have like young children and they want to use it for arts and crafts, definitely the smaller version is better in this instance or occasion. And that's pretty much the difference between the big one and the smaller one. And one more thing I forgot to mention is that the bigger one has a dock station, so you'd dock it in there, it will sit here, and you'll get a dock for it. And that's pretty much the major differences between the smaller version and the more premium version. So in case you would like to look at them again. And that's it pretty much, guys. I will make a different video in the future turning them on and using them to show you how they actually work, but that will be a future video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.